Hello, hello, hello. My name is AstroZ and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to crash the Windows Discord client of your friends to prank them or just to have a little bit of fun. Because why not? So first of all, you're going to want to open your Discord by double clicking on it and head over to that friend that you want to prank. What I've done is I've found 5 of these Discord client crashing files for you guys. I've put them all in a folder, so let's open it up and take a look at them. In this folder, I have 5 files, 4 of which are MP4 videos. When played, they will crash a Windows Discord client. The 5th file is a GIF with a large file size, which can crash the Discord client of an iOS device, such as an iPhone. I do not have an iPhone, so I was unable to test this, but you guys can let me know if this does work in the comments. So to send the file, you just click and drag it onto the Discord and you hit upload and it sends it over to your friend. Then all you need to do is hit play and the video will start, and about maybe 5-6 seconds in, your client will crash. Sometimes there is a delayed reaction until you hit another button on Discord, such as switching to a different server, and then the client will crash. So it just depends on the video. If you send this to them, it will crash their Discord client as soon as they open the video. However, it will not permanently affect their computer. It's just a bit of harmless fun. So I'm going to demonstrate to you guys what happens when you open one of these files up. And yeah, alright, so I'm just going to show you what happens and we're going to listen to the meme.
It's returned.
Hello, your computer has virus.
Alright, that was a little bit of a shitty meme. Anyways, as you can tell, my Discord is unresponsive, and effectively the only way to shut it down now is to use Task Manager and to end its process. Or you can just start spamming the left-click mouse button until a tab opens up saying that the Discord client is unresponsive, and you can just hit cancel and it will close. So that's basically what happens. However, I am going to warn you guys, do not send these on the main chat of a big Discord server because you will most definitely be banned for it. You're not allowed to send Discord crashers on most Discord servers, so I just watch out if I were you, because I have been banned in the past for sending one of these videos. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope you learned something. If you did, smash the like button and see you next time. Ciao.
With